Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and this is a price prediction video of the Pancakeswap cake token. Okay, so we're gonna analyze the cake token. It's been down for a couple of weeks, and I have recently made a video on the Pancakeswap, the cake token. And let's first take a look at the volume today. Okay, the volume and the metrics as well from the token, from the tradingview.com. So I'm gonna draw these. I have already drawn these levels, but if we take a look at the technicals today, for the 1 day there is a strong selling going on. If we take a look at the weekly, it's also telling us that the moving averages shows that strong selling, but the oscillators are some sort of neutral right now. So again, heading towards the 1 day, here you can see 2 buying, 1 selling going on. So right now there is not a confirmation, but 4 hours and 2 hours it's been showing us, because it's been all 2 to 3 hours that new candle has formed because of the new weekends. So it's a new weekend. So you can see, we can take a look at here, although the bottom is 9.38, although the bottom is around 9.38 up to, you can see maybe to some extent we can also take this into account as well. Okay, and that is 10.19. okay, if we take a look at this weekly candle, previously this area has been tested once, hit twice here, third time here, and now fourth time this area has been tested. So we might gonna see another push towards 10.19, or maybe towards the 9.38 before we take off. Okay, before we take off, because if we just take a look at the pattern, okay, if we just take a look at the chart, first we saw the when it was listed, the price came up as usual, it happens on the day of listing. Next we formed a base is required. Okay, so the base was around 8.3. after that it formed base for 1 week, 2 weeks and 3 weeks. After 3 weeks the price then jumped. Okay, it fly and it tested the all-time high at $45 or $44. After that we saw a dump in the Bitcoin and in the altcoin market, and it round here right down there it tested the bottom. Okay, it tested the previous base, you can see the previous support. After that it came up to retest the previous swing high. This was a breakout candle, and it tested the previous swing high, never went up to test the all-time high again, and again it came down to retest second time the base. After it started to form a ranging market, it continued in the ranging phase here, and we saw a huge volume, and then we break out here. So this was the first target, this was the second target. It had to go like this, but unfortunately when this area was broken here, the range was broken. Okay, and we saw huge dump again afterwards. And you can see over the last couple of weeks, 1 2 3 4 weeks, the cake is going down and down. So we might be hitting this area 10.1993 or 8, even $8. So these are the areas where you should try to accumulate cake. This is the buying area. And still, if we just take a look at current scenario, we still have 342% is possible from here. Even you can buy the cake and stake it. Okay, this is the weekly chart. So what it shows, that we might be bouncing off from this area again before we're gonna accumulate 1 to 2 or 3 weeks maybe. Okay, maybe 3 weeks, and maybe on New Year we're gonna start to fly, and the first target would be these levels, $16 to $15, and next stop would be around 25 to that area. And after that, once we cross above 25, it would be bullish scenario for cake. So right now this is the new weekly candle which is formed. So if we just take a look at here, after this area was broken, it has to retest this area, also this area. So this week I'm predicting the price is gonna move at least to $15. Okay, $15 to $8 because of the previous swing high. There is a previous swing high here. If we just take a look at these levels, okay, Let me draw the dashed area for you guys, just to let you know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this area. Okay, 15.4. This so this is my first target for the this week. But if you want to buy it for the long term, then it's a good spot. You can buy in the range of 9.38, 388 and 10. So 9, 8, 10 you can buy. You try to accumulate around these areas, because every now and then we see projects being listed on Pancakeswap. So definitely cake has a huge potential. Yeah, it's down in volume, but yeah, we might gonna see some accumulation. After that the prices started to move up. So still it has 342% juice left in it, and you can stake it, auto stake it. So yeah, this is the long term price prediction. And if we just take a look at the OBV, although the OBV has just started to flatten here. Okay, so we need some flattened, and after that we need some higher low, like this type of oscillator shown from the OBV. So it has to show a good volume, good accumulation volume. Right now we might gonna test these levels. So that is the long-term price prediction of cake. So, and also the price prediction of cake. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, please mention them under the comment section. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. Bye.